What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Case Digital. In today's video, I wanted to answer the question of how to check if a Python package is installed and what are the ways to do that. And to be honest, the best way to do that, in my opinion, this is basically a really short video because the best way to do that is using pip. Now, the ways that you can do that is I can say pip list. And this will give me basically everything that's in my environment, whether it's my Python environment that's based off the system environment, or like I'm using here, I have a virtual environment called ZENV that basically has specific packages installed into it that I'm going to use. And this will list everything, right? So now it gives me all the package information, or their names, I should say, as well as their version numbers, basically the condensed format. And then there is kind of pip freeze. Now what this does gives a slightly modified version in the seeing that we only see NumPy here, and that's because these three modules are basically common in all environments, or I guess maybe not so much wheel, but setup tools and pip are very common and will probably always be there because pip is our package manager, helps us install their packages, and basically when you run pip freeze, it just shows you the different packages that are necessary or needed to run what you're trying to run based off of what you've asked to install, right? Not necessarily based off what's in the code that you're using. So basically that's it. These are the methods, and this is how you can check whether or not a Python environment is installed. I mean, you can get a little bit more fancy, I guess, if you're on a terminal in Linux and or a Mac like I am. Basically, you could say I could pip list, and then I could grep that or pipe that into grep and search for, say, NumPy, and then this will just give me that line right there, right? But when worst comes to worst, you can just like look. If you have a small environment like I do, like just doing pip list, you can just look down and see, hey, is my package name there? If it's not, then you probably need to do a pip install. But I guess if you have a super long list of like tons of packages that you're using in your environment, maybe piping it into grep or searching for it based off of what the output of this is would help. And that's what you can use with pip list or pip freeze and then grep NumPy. It should work just the same if we did that way as well. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them or if you have any questions or additional comments or thoughts, leave them in the comments down below. And until next time, keep on programming.